Hello everybody, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. A well-designed shower isn't just a place to rinse off, it's a space where relaxation meets style. The right shower remodel can completely transform a bathroom, making it feel more open, luxurious, and functional. Whether it's a sleek glass enclosure that enhances natural light, a spa-like rainfall shower for ultimate comfort, or a minimalist walk-in design that exudes modern elegance, the possibilities are endless. Upgrading a shower isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about creating a space that fits your lifestyle. From space-saving layouts to high-tech features and natural elements, this video explores the best shower remodel ideas to inspire your next transformation. Frameless glass showers are a game-changer for any bathroom remodel. With their sleek and minimalistic design, they create an open, airy feel that instantly makes the space look larger. Unlike traditional framed enclosures, these showers eliminate bulky metal edges, allowing uninterrupted views of beautiful tile work or statement fixtures. Beyond aesthetics, frameless glass showers also enhance natural light flow, making the bathroom feel brighter and more inviting. They work well in both small and spacious layouts, offering a timeless and sophisticated look. For added customization, consider clear glass for a seamless feel, frosted glass for extra privacy, or textured glass for a unique touch. A walk-in shower with a zero-threshold entry is the perfect blend of modern style and functionality. By eliminating steps or raised edges, these showers create a seamless transition from the bathroom floor into the shower area. This not only enhances accessibility but also gives the space a clean, uncluttered look, making it ideal for both small and large bathrooms. The open design makes the bathroom feel more spacious, especially when paired with large format tiles or continuous flooring. Glass enclosures or half-wall partitions can further enhance the airy feel while maintaining a sense of separation. For a sleek, spa-like effect, consider incorporating a linear drain that blends seamlessly into the floor, preventing water buildup while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. Beyond aesthetics, a zero-threshold shower is a practical choice for long-term living, as it ensures easy access for all ages and mobility levels. Whether designed with warm wood-look tiles for a natural feel or sleek marble for a luxurious finish, this shower style offers both elegance and lasting functionality. Upgrading to a rainfall showerhead can instantly turn a standard shower into a spa-like retreat. Mounted on the ceiling or a high wall, these showerheads provide a gentle, even water flow that mimics the soothing sensation of natural rainfall. They create a calming experience while enhancing the overall aesthetic of the bathroom with their sleek and modern design. For a more personalized shower experience, multifunction showerheads are a great addition. Adjustable settings allow for different water pressures, from a relaxing mist to a powerful massage stream. Some setups also include handheld shower heads or body sprays, offering flexibility and full body coverage. Smart shower technology is another growing trend, allowing users to control water temperature, pressure, and even LED lighting with the touch of a button or voice commands. Whether opting for a simple rainfall shower head or a fully customized system, these upgrades bring both comfort and convenience to any shower remodel. Tiles play a major role in defining the overall look of a shower, and bold, statement designs can instantly elevate the space. From intricate mosaics to large format slabs, the right tile choice adds character, texture, and depth to the bathroom. For a sleek and modern feel, large format tiles with minimal grout lines create a seamless and sophisticated look. On the other hand, geometric patterns or bold color contrasts can bring a more artistic and dynamic vibe. Subway tiles remain a timeless choice, but variations like vertically stacked or oversized subway tiles offer a fresh, updated twist. Natural stone tiles, such as marble or travertine, bring elegance and warmth, while textured tiles, like 3D or wave designs, add a touch of modern luxury. For a more dramatic effect, accent walls with contrasting tiles or a niche with decorative patterns can turn the shower into a true focal point. No matter the style, statement tiles help personalize a shower remodel and make it stand out. Incorporating built-in benches and niches into a shower remodel enhances both functionality and style. A shower bench provides a comfortable seating area, perfect for relaxation or added convenience during a spa-like experience. It's especially useful in larger walk-in showers, offering a seamless blend of comfort and practicality. Materials like natural stone, quartz, or waterproof wood look tiles can complement the overall design while ensuring durability. Shower niches, on the other hand, are a sleek and space-saving solution for storage. Instead of cluttered shelves or hanging organizers, a recessed niche keeps shampoos, soaps, and toiletries neatly tucked away. Whether designed with contrasting tiles for a bold accent or blended seamlessly with the shower walls, niches add both style and efficiency to the space. These built-in features create a polished, high-end look while keeping the shower area organized and visually appealing. Black-framed showers bring a bold, industrial touch to bathroom design, making them a standout feature in any remodel. Inspired by modern loft aesthetics, these showers use metal-framed glass panels to create a striking contrast against neutral tiles or natural stone. The grid-like design, often seen in steel or matte black finishes, adds structure and depth while maintaining an open and airy feel. This style pairs well with minimalist, contemporary, or even rustic interiors, offering versatility in design. To enhance the industrial look, consider pairing black-framed showers with subway tiles, exposed hardware, or warm wood elements. Whether opting for a full enclosure or a single glass partition, this trend creates a timeless yet edgy appeal that instantly modernizes any bathroom space. A steam shower takes luxury and relaxation to the next level, transforming an ordinary bathroom into a personal spa retreat. Designed to generate warm, soothing steam at the touch of a button, these showers offer incredible benefits, from muscle relaxation to improved circulation and stress relief. Sealed enclosures with built-in steam generators help maintain the perfect temperature while preventing excess moisture from escaping. Features like aromatherapy dispensers, chromotherapy lighting, and built-in seating enhance the spa-like experience even further. For a sleek and modern finish, floor-to-ceiling glass panels, natural stone tiles, and integrated sound systems can complete the tranquil ambience. Whether for wellness or pure indulgence, a steam shower creates a rejuvenating escape right at home, making it a must-have feature in a high-end bathroom remodel. Bringing natural elements into a shower design creates a calming, spa-like atmosphere that feels both warm and inviting. Earthy showers often incorporate materials like natural stone, wood-look tiles, and pebble flooring to add texture and a sense of tranquility. Soft, neutral color palettes, such as beige, taupe, and warm grays, enhance the organic feel, making the space feel serene and connected to nature. A great way to enhance this design is by incorporating greenery. Hanging plants, built-in planters, or even a vertical garden wall can add a refreshing, tropical touch. Waterfall shower heads or exposed rock walls further elevate the natural aesthetic, creating a true oasis. For lighting, soft, warm-toned LEDs or skylights can help mimic natural sunlight, making the shower feel even more relaxing. Whether aiming for a rustic, spa-inspired, or nature-infused look, earthy shower designs bring a timeless and rejuvenating quality to any bathroom remodel. Technology is transforming modern showers, bringing convenience, luxury, and personalization to the bathroom experience. Smart showers allow users to control water temperature, pressure, and even steam settings with the touch of a button or voice commands through integrated apps or smart home systems. This ensures a perfectly customized shower every time. LED temperature indicating shower heads change colors based on water heat levels, adding both safety and a futuristic touch. Built-in Bluetooth speakers let users enjoy music, podcasts, or ambient sounds while showering, enhancing relaxation. For an immersive experience, digital interfaces can preset preferred settings for multiple users, saving time and water. Some high-tech showers also feature motion sensor controls and eco-friendly water-saving functions, combining luxury with sustainability. Whether it's a self-warming floor, touchless controls, or ambient chromotherapy lighting, smart showers bring cutting-edge innovation to any bathroom remodel. Freestanding and open-air showers bring a sense of luxury and freedom to a bathroom remodel, making the shower feel like a statement feature rather than just a functional space. These designs create an open, airy atmosphere that enhances both comfort and aesthetics. Freestanding showers, often placed in the center or a dedicated corner of the bathroom, feature elegant glass enclosures or partial walls for a minimalist and spa-like effect. Open-air showers take it a step further by removing barriers altogether, blending seamlessly with the rest of the bathroom. This design is ideal for larger spaces, allowing for an uninterrupted flow and a more spacious feel. For a resort-inspired look, incorporating natural materials like stone flooring, wooden slats, or indoor plants can enhance the experience. Skylights or floor-to-ceiling windows can also bring in natural light, making the space feel even more refreshing. Whether sleek and modern or rustic and organic, freestanding and open-air showers add a unique and luxurious touch to any bathroom design. A well-designed shower can completely transform a bathroom, turning it into a space of comfort, relaxation, and modern luxury. From sleek walk-in showers and spa-like steam experiences to high-tech features and nature-inspired designs, there are endless possibilities to create a shower that suits both style and functionality. Whether it's the elegance of black-framed enclosures, the warmth of earthy textures, or the innovation of smart technology, each idea offers a unique way to elevate a bathroom remodel. Choosing the right combination of materials, layouts, and features can make a shower feel like a personal retreat, enhancing both everyday routines and long-term home value. No matter the size or style of a bathroom, these shower remodel ideas offer inspiration to create a space that feels both timeless and inviting. If you found these ideas helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more home design inspiration from HD Interiors.